Today I've designed a churro shelf. So it looks like this in Fusion 360. And this is what the sketches look like. Like this, you measure with a caliper, and then you do some design there, and then you 3D print it, and then you get this. And let's put this to use. So I've designed one of it. It's over here, and my first time using this. Let's see if it fits. Darn it. Oh, wait. Bam. Bam. I'm gonna put some watches in there. Bloop. Bloop. Now I got more space for more things. Need some more here, need some more there. Probably just one more over here. Yeah, beautiful.